Many frying pans hide toxic coatings that can chip, overheat, and mix with your food over time. Choosing the right non-toxic frying pan means safer meals, better durability, and stress-free cooking every day. In this video, I'll break down the best non-toxic frying pans that combine clean materials with excellent performance. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Sensarte nonstick ceramic frying pan. A great entry-level choice for anyone looking to cook healthier without worrying about toxic chemicals. If you've ever been concerned about traditional nonstick coatings releasing fumes or breaking down over time, this pan's ceramic PFAS-free coating gives you peace of mind. Ceramic coatings are prized for being free of PFOA, PFOS, lead, and other nasties that can show up in conventional Teflon-style pans. This pan's performance is surprisingly solid for its price point. The non-stick surface makes quick work of eggs, pancakes, sautéed veggies, and more, meaning you can cook with little to no oil if you prefer. That not only helps keep your meals lighter and healthier, it also makes cleanup fast. Food slides right off without stubborn residue stuck on the bottom. The Sensarte pan is also compatible with a variety of stovetops, including gas, electric, and ceramic. Though, like most ceramic pans, it's a good idea to avoid overheating. Medium to medium-high heat typically gives you the best results without compromising the coating. The handle stays cool and comfortable during most everyday cooking sessions, and the overall build is lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially if you're used to traditional nonstick pans. While it won't replace heavy-duty professional cookware for high-heat searing or advanced techniques, this pan is perfect for beginners or anyone shifting toward non-toxic, hassle-free, everyday cooking. If you want a safe, affordable ceramic pan that performs well across simple dishes, the Sensarte belongs on your list. At number 4 is the Caraway non-stick frying pan, a dependable workhorse in the world of non-toxic cookware. This pan combines PFOA-free ceramic coating with a durable build that stands up to frequent use, making it ideal for families, daily cooks, or apartment kitchens. One of the biggest worries with non-stick pans is quick wear and tear, especially when you're cooking eggs, fish, or delicate foods. Caraway addresses this with a coating that's not only free of harmful chemicals, but also more scratch-resistant than many entry-level ceramic pans. That means you can use silicone or wood utensils without instantly worrying about ruining the surface. This pan heats evenly across the base, which is essential for consistent cooking. Many budget pans develop hot spots that scorch food or leave raw patches. Caraway keeps your pancakes, stir-fried vegetables, and omelets cooking uniformly, which makes everyday meals easier and more delicious. The ergonomic handle gives good grip and control, even with full skillets or heavier dishes. Cleanup is also a breeze. Just a quick wipe or rinse and you're done. The Caraway pan is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, and while it's not rated for induction without a special base, it still covers most home kitchens. As with all ceramic pans, high heat searing isn't its strength, but medium to medium-high heat works beautifully for most tasks. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Zeruma non-toxic surgical-grade stainless steel frying pan, a fantastic choice for cooks who want a pan that's both healthy and ultra-durable. Traditional nonstick pans are great for convenience, but they can wear out over time or lose effectiveness at higher heats. Zeruma takes a different approach. Its surgical-grade stainless steel construction is inherently non-toxic and free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, and other chemicals often associated with coated pans. That means you're only ever cooking with metal and food, no questionable coatings. This pan is built to last. Stainless steel not only resists scratching and denting, it also browns food beautifully. If you're looking to get serious about flavor, caramelized onions, golden sears on chicken or steak, or perfectly sautéed vegetables, this pan delivers superior results that nonstick coatings can't match. Because there's no nonstick coating to degrade, you don't have to worry about overheating it on medium-high or even high heat. This makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen, whether you're simmering sauces or crisping up breakfast potatoes. Cleaning stainless can sometimes be a concern, but Zeruma includes features like a stay-cool handle and a polished interior that helps release food more easily than traditional steel pans. A little olive oil goes a long way to create a semi-nonstick effect once the pan is seasoned through use. Coming in at number 2 is the Green Pan Frying Pan, a widely respected option in the non-toxic cookware space, and for good reason. Green Pan helped pioneer healthy ceramic nonstick coatings, and this pan represents their best-selling design focused on safe cooking without compromise. What makes Green Pan special is its Thermalon ceramic coating. It's free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook at medium to medium-high heat with confidence that no harmful chemicals are leaching into your food. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing veggies, or browning chicken, the surface lets food release easily and cleans up with minimal effort. Heat distribution is another strength. Unlike cheaper nonstick pans that develop hot spots, Green Pan's base spreads heat evenly across the surface. That means consistent results even when cooking delicate foods. It's also compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, making it a versatile option for most home kitchens. The handle is comfortable and stays cool under normal cooking conditions, giving you good control and safer handling. Cleanup is quick. Most foods slide right off, and a soft sponge is all you need. One note, like all ceramic coatings, it's best to avoid extremely high heat. But for everyday frying, sautéing, scrambling, and more, it's an ideal surface. If you want a well-balanced, non-toxic pan that combines ease of use with great performance, the Green Pan Frying Pan is a top choice and earns the number 2 spot on our list. Taking the top spot as the best non-toxic frying pan overall is the Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan, a premium pan that combines healthy cooking, performance, and modern design in one. Caraway has built a reputation for creating cookware that's both safe and a joy to use, and this frying pan delivers on both fronts. The non-stick ceramic coating is free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook with confidence, knowing you're not exposing your family to harmful chemicals. That's especially important if you cook frequently or meal prep at home. Performance is where this pan really shines. The ceramic surface allows food to release cleanly with just a whisper of oil, making everyday cooking, from eggs to fish to stir-fried veggies, effortless. Heat distribution is very even, so you minimize hot spots and get consistent results across the entire cooking surface. It also heats up quickly, which helps with efficient, controlled cooking. The handle is ergonomically designed and stays cool through typical use, giving you a secure grip and comfortable control. After cooking, cleanup is fast and simple. Most residue wipes away with warm, soapy water. Caraway also places emphasis on aesthetic kitchen design, so it looks just as good on your stovetop as it performs. And while this pan is a bit pricier than others on this list, the quality of materials, non-toxic assurance, and everyday usability make it worth the investment. If you want the best blend of safe materials, everyday performance, and long-lasting quality, the Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan is the clear number 1 choice on our list.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!